So I fixed the blue tint, but now I lost my highlights. So one way is a blade. You have to be careful not to cut through. You're just removing the very top layer of paper, which is 140 pounds. It's pretty thick. Don't turn it upside down. Cut your finger like I almost did. The Mighty Oak has lots of stripes. I do like using, this is 80 grit sandpaper. It actually does a pretty good job, but it's not as small of an area. It makes a much bigger footprint. So you have to make sure that you actually want something bigger removed, and I usually don't. There are smaller tools, but now on this right here, it's a little around the corner, so I'm not scraping all the way down to the white. I'm just scraping a little bit. And I'm going to use some P.H. Martins on parts of this too, but at any rate, this is how you scrape back some highlights. And on the grass down here, sorry about the shadows, but it is evening. These little flowers that are coming up next to the tree. See how that restored the whites on the little flowers? So I'll bring this tree trunk back. It'll just take me a little bit of time, but I had to get rid of all those blues with my wash that I made.